Welcome to Yo Meek and the Sound. I am Yo Meek and you are
human.
Okay, I'll take that. Hey guys, welcome to Yo Meek and the Sound. Am I yelling?
Yeah.
Really?
Yep.
I just can't help myself.
All right, keep on yelling.
Okay. Welcome. We have missed you. So it's been about a month and we have not posted any videos in about a month. It has been a challenging month. So we are happy to be back. We have a lot coming for you guys. Personal blog videos as well as an interview that we did with our friend who's a photographer, Erica Latrange. No?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's fine.
I didn't do that right?
Yeah, it's fine.
You sure I called her name right?
Yeah.
Okay. Erica, don't hate me. Candace didn't want to correct me. So it's all her fault. You know she British. So she says it a lot better than I'm West Indian.
I'm West Indian.
Well, yeah, but you West Indian with a British accent. So that's like more English, British versus like West Indian.
It's an American accent. I'm American.
Yeah, you don't do American real well.
Whatever.
Yeah, I'm just saying. I mean, only when you sing, your American comes out real well. British people can do that real well, by the way. And then they open their mouth to talk to you, you be like, but wait, you sounded straight heard a second ago when you were singing, but okay.
I'm over you. I'm so over you.
Okay, so we have a lot coming for you. We're going to have updates about what has been going on behind the scenes for the past month. And we also have Erica's interview coming out where you guys will get to see behind the scenes of the photo shoot and the models. And you guys will also get to see the finished product of her photo shoot. So I'm excited about that. So guys, stay tuned. We have a lot coming for you. And we're excited. All I'm going to say is that we are happy to be back and we want you guys to stay tuned because we have a lot of fun-filled videos coming your way.
Absolutely.
Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you guys next time. Bye. Thank you guys so much for bearing with us. It doesn't even sound like bearing or sticking or maybe not sticking. Sticking doesn't really sound.